Okay everyone, we are going to do a swipe on this canvas. The reason why I'm doing that is because I tried to do a swipe and a Dutch pour on this and it didn't work. It wasn't level. And also the colors I didn't like. The pearl, I really wanted more of a white. So anyway, we're just gonna redo this. I'm gonna do rainbows starting from yellow and green on the inside, work my way out to purple and then pink on this side. And then we're gonna swipe from the center, many different areas. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna get started. And actually, I'm gonna put these back because I need to know how thick the places need to be. And in some cases, it's gonna be tough. I barely have any red left here, so I'm gonna grab a spatula. Let's start with the purple here. Oh. And I need to make sure I get down the sides, especially the very ends. So that was the light violet. There's that violet. This is bright blue. This is phthalo blue. And I'd rather have less paint than too much because it'll start bowing in the center. You can always fill in the holes later. Kind of overlap that blue just a little bit too much. Gotta remember that next time. This is where I'm worried about my red. Let me grab a spatula. All right, my light green. I don't really like the sap green color on these. I like the lighter green better, but that's just a preference. All right. I need to make sure I'm getting my sides too. Almost put down red first. Oops. Okay. Whoop. Now I'm going to go around and get my sides before I do my swipe. Oh, the yellows and the oranges are not opaque, it looks like. I should have painted it. Darn it. Oh well. That's what it is. Maybe I'll paint it white afterwards. My marbles. I put marbles in these so they mix up the paint better. Drawer here. Okay, let me get my colors out of the way. I'll use my spatulas. So we're going to use spatula and I will wipe it off every time. So this is my cell activator number 3. I don't use it very often anymore because I have a new formula, but I am using as much leftover paint as I possibly can. So we're going to do that. much paint on there. I'm gonna get it off. Cool. Looks great. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna stretch it now. I need some blue actually over here. It really looks good. I like how it looks. Okay, that's it. I like it. Cool. I will get you down and show you the wet version of that. I think that looks really neat. So, here you go.
Thanks for joining me today, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye! Bye!